Drive like a pro, think, react, drive smart. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will check how well you know traffic rules. I have prepared for you some interesting and slightly tricky traffic situations that any driver can face. So get comfortable, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And at the end of the video, write in the comments how many right answers you got. Let's look at the next situation. You are driving on a roadway where traffic conditions can change quickly. After driving for a long time, especially on straight roads, it is common for drivers to become tired, distracted, or less focused. Even a few seconds of inattention can be dangerous, particularly when a stop sign, traffic signal, or intersection is coming up. To reduce the risk of accidents caused by delayed reactions, road engineers use special warning systems built directly into the road surface. One of the most effective of these systems is rumble strips. Rumble strips are designed to catch your attention instantly by engaging your senses, not just your sight, but also your hearing and sense of touch. Question: rumble strips use vibration and sound to alert drowsy or inattentive drivers that they are. Answer 1. Approaching a freeway. Answer 2. Approaching a stop sign or signal. Answer 3. Approaching a school zone. Answer 4. Approaching a parking zone or playground. Correct answer: approaching a stop sign or signal. Detailed explanation. Rumble strips are shallow grooves or raised patterns placed across or along the roadway. When your vehicle drives over them, they create loud, unusual noise, strong vibration through the steering wheel and vehicle body. This combination is very effective at waking up tired drivers and refocusing distracted ones. Most often, rumble strips are installed in locations where drivers must slow down or stop, such as before stop signs, before traffic signals, before dangerous intersections, before sharp curves or downhill grades. Their primary purpose is to prevent drivers from accidentally driving through a stop or failing to react in time. Why approaching a stop sign or signal is correct. Stop signs and traffic signals require an immediate and deliberate response from the driver. Missing one can result in serious intersection collisions, side impact crashes, injuries to pedestrians, cyclists, and other drivers. Rumble strips provide a last warning when visual signs alone might not be enough, especially at night in bad weather or when the driver's fatigued. They act as a physical reminder that a critical decision point is ahead. Why the other options are incorrect. Approaching a freeway. Freeway entrances are designed with acceleration lanes, guide signs, and ramp markings. Rumble strips are not used to announce freeway access. Approaching a school zone. School zones rely on clear signs, pavement markings, flashing beacons, and reduced speed limits. Rumble strips could actually create confusion or unnecessary noise in these areas. Approaching a parking zone or playground. Parking areas and playgrounds use signage, curbs, and speed control measures like speed bumps, not rumble strips. Key safety reminders. If you hear or feel rumble strips, slow down immediately. Scan the road ahead for stop signs or traffic signals. Be prepared to brake smoothly and stop completely. Treat rumble strips as an urgent warning, not a suggestion. Summary: rumble strips are a critical safety feature designed to alert inattentive or drowsy drivers that they are approaching a stop sign or traffic signal. By using sound and vibration, they help prevent missed stops and reduce serious crashes at intersections. Final answer: approaching a stop sign or signal. Let's look at the next situation. You are driving on a divided roadway with a median separating traffic directions. Conditions are normal, traffic is flowing smoothly, and the road ahead appears wide and open. However, as you continue forward, the roadway design is about to change. To warn drivers in advance, traffic engineers use special warning signs that explain how the road will change and what action drivers must take to stay safe and maintain proper traffic flow. One such sign is the yellow diamond-shaped sign with two arrows pointing down and away from each other. Question: what does this sign mean? Answer 1. You must merge right or left. Answer 2. A two-lane highway starts at the sign. Answer 3. Two-way traffic starts at the sign. Answer 4. You must go to either side. Correct answer: you must go to either side. Detailed explanation. This sign indicates that a divider, island, or obstruction is located ahead in the roadway. Drivers are allowed to pass on either side of the obstruction. The arrows pointing down and away from each other mean the road is splitting around a median or traffic island. You may safely pass to the left or to the right. There is no required direction. Both options are permitted. This type of sign is commonly seen near median islands, roadway dividers, construction zones, wide boulevards where traffic can pass on both sides. Why you must go to either side is correct. Unlike a keep right or keep left sign, this sign does not force drivers into a single direction. Instead, it tells you, the center of the road is blocked or divided. You may choose either side to continue. You must pass the obstruction safely. The design of the arrows clearly shows that traffic flows around the object, not through it. Why the other options are incorrect. You must merge right or left. Merging implies that lanes are coming together and you must combine with traffic. This sign does not indicate merging. It indicates splitting around an object. A two-lane highway starts at the sign. A two-lane highway sign looks different and usually includes symbols showing opposing traffic or lane markings. This sign does not describe the number of lanes. Two-way traffic starts at the sign. Two-way traffic signs show arrows pointing up and down, not outward. This sign does not warn of opposing traffic directions. Key safety reminders. Slow down when approaching roadway dividers. Watch for other vehicles choosing either side. Yield if necessary, especially in narrow areas. Follow pavement markings and road layout summary. This sign warns drivers that a divider or obstruction is ahead, and traffic may pass on either side. It does not require merging, stopping, or choosing a specific direction, only that you navigate around the obstacle safely. Final answer. You must go to either side. Let's look at the next situation. You are driving on a multi-lane roadway with steady traffic. Vehicles around you are moving at different speeds, and some may be hidden in your blind spots. Before changing lanes, it is critical to make sure the lane you want to move into is completely clear. Relying on mirrors alone is not always enough. Some vehicles, especially motorcycles and smaller cars, can easily disappear from your mirrors if they are in your blind spot. That is why proper lane change checks are essential for safe driving. Question: before changing lanes, you should answer 1. Check your mirrors and look over your shoulder toward the rear. Answer 2. Check behind you and look in your side mirrors. Answer 3. Check your speed and look over your shoulder toward the rear. Answer 4. Check your rear view and side mirrors. Correct answer: check your mirrors and look over your shoulder toward the rear. Detailed explanation. Changing lanes safely requires more than a quick glance in your mirrors. While mirrors give you important information, they do not show everything. Every vehicle has blind spots, areas that cannot be seen in the rear view or side mirrors. Looking over your shoulder toward the rear allows you to check these blind spots and confirm that no vehicle is traveling beside you. Why this answer is correct: you should always check your rear view mirror to see traffic behind you. Check your side mirror to see vehicles in the adjacent lane. Look over your shoulder to check your blind spot. Signal before moving and change lanes smoothly. This combination gives you the most complete view of surrounding traffic. Why the other options are incorrect. Check behind you and look in your side mirrors. This does not include checking the blind spot by looking over your shoulder, which is essential. Check your speed and look over your shoulder toward the rear. Checking speed is important, but this option ignores mirror use, which is required before any lane change. Check your rear view and side mirrors. Mirrors alone are not enough because they do not show vehicles in blind spots. Key safety reminders. Always signal before changing lanes. Never rely on mirrors alone. Blind spots are a major cause of lane change crashes. A quick shoulder check can prevent serious accidents. Summary: before changing lanes, you must use both your mirrors and a shoulder check. This ensures that the lane is clear and helps prevent collisions with vehicles hidden in your blind spots. Final answer: check your mirrors and look over your shoulder toward the rear. Subscribe and never miss traffic rules lessons.